lovely day to be out on the bike. Right, so this is the first time I'm really taking this setup out. I did a quick test yesterday just to make sure everything was connected up properly and that you could hear everything. Initial impressions were really good. The quality of this microphone was just far superior to what I experienced with the DJI Mic 3. You just get a lot more bass coming through. The auto clipping and auto gain control was excellent. I had no clipping in the initial testing, and the quality just sounded like, you know, what I'd expect for a microphone at that price point. In terms of the video quality of the X6, it's yeah, it's nice. Again, just did a very quick test. I'm filming today just using standard color profiles as well. I'm not actually using the iLog or mlog or whatever it's called for today's test, just because I want to see what it's capable of out of the box without me having to do any editing on it. Because as you know, with 360 cameras, you got to do the framing, and then having to do color correction just adds in another layer that I can't really be bothered with at the moment. So yeah, I've got to I've actually just sold the DJI Mic 3, so I'm going to post it to a seller now, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to test out this new setup while I go. So I'm just taking a sort of long-winded route to the post office. We'll have a look at what the image quality is like. It's a slightly windy day, so it will be a good test of the microphone. And then in terms of the actual weather, as you can see, it's a beautiful day, so we should get some really nice colour. That's shocking. Right, so the actual camera got moved from the sheer force of the acceleration, so I'm just trying to tighten that up as much as I can for now. Although it's not looking too good, Brev. Might have to pull over and sort that out. I've just got it mounted on a small rig selfie stick with a standard clamp, which doesn't seem to be holding up too well. Which is a bit disappointing, but that's got nothing to do with the gear. So what I've actually done as well, is I sold the DJI Osmo Action 6. I just didn't think it was fit for purpose. It didn't do what I was hoping it would do, and let you film both vertical and landscape at the same time with the same aspect ratio. Yeah, so I just felt a bit cheated there, so I didn't get the use out of it that I wanted to. The picture quality was great, but yeah, was disappointed. And then after I heard the quality of the microphones from the Insta360 Pro lineup, I thought I want to go back into the Insta360 ecosystem, and yeah, that's me done with DJI for the moment, purely on that basis. And yeah, when they come out with an Ace Pro 3, that might be something I'd consider, but I think this X6 can pretty much do everything. I've ordered some mounts for being able to mount it to the helmet, and I'll get some POV shots that way, but until then I'll just sort of lean on this one camera for now, on the handlebars, and maybe do some GTA style ones as well once the mounts come through. Cool. Still not found a good spot to pull over actually. That's about the tightest I can get it, to be honest. It was already quite tight. Okay, he wants to park there, so it works out great. Honestly, I love the way this bike sounds. It was just never possible to pick up that actual sound with the microphones I used before. It just sounds so good, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to hear that coming through. Today I'm just using the one microphone in the helmet. I found that was quite adequate, but on days where I do want to film engine sound, I did try putting the second microphone in the back pocket and it came out wonderfully crisp. It's a lovely day to be out on the bike. Yeah, I think if I do run this sort of setup, I'd have to have 2 clamps on the handlebars. I think that's doable. Have a play around with it. So this is an interesting test of the camera quality. We've just gone into some shade. See how that sort of transitions in the video. From what I've seen online though, it's really good. What I might do if I get a chance, pull the selfie stick up a little bit. See how that quality looks. I might have to take it a little bit easier so it doesn't fall off. But this will be an interesting POV. It's holding up. I just have to be smooth with it. God, it's been a while. Wow, beautiful view. It's a shame it's all bent. Right, I'll call it there. I need to go drop off this package. Hopefully I'm not getting scammed. This buyer only has, well, it has no reviews. It seems like a new account was made just to buy this item, so always be careful with that. I've taken a precaution to record the you know, the condition of the item before I send it off, as well as the serial number, just in case they try any funny business. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Peace.